Hi guys, my name's Amy and today I'm going to explain to you how to use an Excel spreadsheet. So once you have your spreadsheet open on your computer, you should identify the different columns and rows. You will notice that each column has a capital letter at the very top indicating the column, and each row has a number to the left of it indicating the row number. You'll begin by putting your mouse point directly inside the cell that you're ready to write in. So for us, that'll be column A, row 1. For purposes of this explanation, I'm going to type in books, and we're going to do books and their prices. So after you type your text, you can either use the tab button, or you can use the arrows on your keyboard, or you can actually use your mouse and click to the next column. And we'll go in column B, again, row 1. And in here, I'm going to write price. So we'll do that. Then for me, I'm going to use my mouse and go to column A, row 2. And I'm going to write the name of a book. So we'll write The Last Song. And then I tab over, so it goes to column B, row 2. And for price, we're going to do $9.99. Now again, I'm going to use my mouse, head to column A, row 3. I'm going to type in the name of another book, The Shining, and tab over. We're going to do $24.99. Now we'll head back down to column A, row number 4, where we will write Gone Girl and tab and put in the price $19.99. And then in the very last column, we will put in all the eyes you cannot see. We'll tab over, and that'll be $13.99. So you've got your book names and your prices. So what you'll do is you'll go to the last column, last row underneath your information. So that'll be column A, row 6, and you're going to write total with a capital T. Now I'm going to tab over so that I'm in column B, row 6, and I'm going to write, it's very important that you always add the equal sign. You'll do equals, and then you'll write sum, because we want all the books added up, we want the prices. Then you'll do parentheses, and what you're going to do is you're going to start, we want the price from B2 to B5. So we're going to do capital B2, colon, capital B5, end parentheses. Now once you type in this formula, you click in a cell anywhere outside of that. And voila, you can see total, and you can see the total of all the books. Then you'll come up to here, click your save button, book 4, save, and you've got your spreadsheet. All right, thanks guys.